Jam, everyone. Welcome back to another GC Crypto episode. It's good to be back. Obviously, we were away yesterday. We had an IRL event 2 nights ago. We had to travel back. We were both very exhausted. My camera's a little bit too far right. But anyways, it's good to be back, Craig. We definitely, I don't know about you. We were just talking before off air. And yeah, man, I was so exhausted yesterday. Like proper, like I got home, I had like 4 hours sleep, I think, like straight away. I was just like, I needed it. I needed it.
Oh, yeah, dude. That
Hey,
was
mate, how you going
amazing.
today? How you going today?
Yeah, Jim, everyone, we are back. Yeah, dude, that was great. That IRL event was really cool. Huh? We can talk about that in a second. But yeah, man, I was a bit tired. I was just only greening a fly, and I got my parents here from overseas, so haven't had chance yet to catch up on a bit of sleep. So I'll do that. I'll do that on Sunday when they go. But good to be back on the show. Obviously, we had to miss yesterday. We wouldn't have got back in time. It would have been a nightmare, man.
It just would have been stressful. It would have been like we would have been exhausted. Like it just wouldn't have been a fun event.
No, I would have looked about 50, 60 years old. So better to have me fresh today. But yeah, dude, welcome back. How you feeling after the sleep? You a bit better?
Mate, I feel much better. Yesterday, I wear a Whoop, and yesterday my recovery is like 20%. Today's recovery is 90%. Yeah, so I feel good.
Yeah,
But
nice.
I need
Nice.
to look. My diet hasn't been good lately. I'm about to travel, so who knows what the hell it's going to be like overseas. But I really need to try and sort out my life again because exercise has really gone out the routine and healthy habits. Like I've been having a few drinks. I've been like eating a lot of sweets, all those sorts of things. Just like it makes me feel horrible. Hey, summer's around the corner. I want to make sure I look good for summer now that I live at the beach. So I need to do these sort of things.
Yeah, dude. That's why I joined the gym, man. It's time. It's shredder time.
Well, I have a gym literally next door in the garage, and I need to get back into it. So, but yeah, guys, before we kick off into the show and talk about this big bounce, we have the code word. We do have the code word today for the Yeet giveaway. So we'll start with the Yeet giveaway, then we'll discuss OKX, and we'll talk because I want to talk a bit longer about that IRL event because they were them and all things blockchain out of Brisbane as well were where we were 2 nights ago doing our IRL. Oh my god, I can't speak. Our IRL show 2 nights ago was there. So anyways, we'll start with Yeet. So guys, okay, the code word this week. Okay, we're gonna start off really basic, but the code word this week is literally GC crypto. Okay, so sign up with our code. Okay, well, the link I've put it already in the chat. It's in the description of our YouTube videos on the GC crypto link tree as well. You can sign up there, guys. Now you have to enter this code. It's GC crypto, and Craig, I'm away tomorrow, guys. So Craig is going to do the giveaway tomorrow. I think, are you going to do one giveaway or 2 giveaways of $500? And hopefully it's all good.
I might break it up.
Yeah, I think breaking it up. Yeah. So I think you have a really good chance, guys, because as you can see here, we've only just opened up the raffle. So literally, and we're not going to promote this out. We'll promote it in GTG, but that's it. We're not going to post a tweet about the code word. So you need to be a live viewer today or tomorrow to tune in. Use that code GC Crypto, enter the raffle, trade a little bit of volume, and you can enter the comp on Yeet. And we'll be doing this from now on, $1,000 every single Thursday or Friday that we'll be giving it away. So it's our opportunity to give back to you guys who have come and watched us for a long period of time. So massive shout out to Yeet for partnering with us. They have a 40% community airdrop in the coming months, guys. They crossed over $400 million of volume, and they're backed by KBM and Mando, who are doxed and some of the most reputable people you will literally find in crypto. So yeah, it's an honor to partner with these guys and yeah, give back some cash to you guys every single week. So highly recommend checking that one out. Secondly, obviously our other channel sponsors, massive shout out to OKX, who were basically the IRL event. Let me turn off Craigie Boys one. There we go. Massive shout out to OKX, who are obviously our partner as well with GC Crypto. We had a huge, amazing event in Brizzy 2 nights ago with OKX and all things blockchain. So it was amazing to meet up with some GTG members and meet up with some other crypto novice people, some people who do know what crypto is and all these sorts of things. But yeah, obviously, before we jump into that and talk about that specifically, if you want to sign up for OKX, it's down below, guys. It's one of the safest exchanges in all of crypto. We're literally speaking to all of the team 2 nights ago, and their whole brand model is literally focusing on 100 years ahead. They're not even worried about like next week. They're like, no, we want OKX to be the focus of crypto in about 100 years' time. So I was like, okay, that's pretty epic to sort of partner with as well. So sign up down below, trade $1,000 of volume on OKX, and you get $75 for free as well, which is pretty good. That's a good bonus. Like you don't get that on a lot of exchanges. if you have any questions, guys, you can hit us up at any time. But Craig, mate, what did you think about the whole event 2 nights ago? It was obviously our first IRL show together. It was pretty epic. It was well received, is the feedback that we've both kind of got. So how do you feel the event went? And I will play a video. I've posted a video on my Instagram, so I'll play that, just a little bit of an excerpt. I'm gonna try and upload the raw footage and put that on YouTube hopefully today or tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that one. But Craig, how did you feel about the event, mate?
Yeah, I thought it went well. I had a good time. Obviously, you always wonder. Well, for myself, I haven't spoken in front of people for a long time, really. So not like that, not live. So it's always good to know that you're not going to choke up on the spot, isn't it? You never know until you know, right? So baptism of fire. But no, it was great being up there with Greenie. It flowed really well. The chats, I think the chats are great. The crowd were great. Good responses, good energy, good information. And I thought the questions, we did a good Q&A session. And in fact, we ran out of time, which is a good problem to have. There were still people wanting to ask questions. And we had to end the show basically to get on with it and get out of the facility or whatever. So we had people still coming up to us after the Q&A wanting to ask their questions. So that was pretty cool. Pretty cool to have a couple of people come up and even want photos, bro. That was pretty buzzy. Young fella.
Yeah, some young lads out of Brisbane were like pretty fan shocked or whatever you call it. They're like, oh my god, it's wild to see you guys here.
So that was
and they're
cool.
like, they were thanking us, and like, well, that's why we do what we do. Okay, we try and help educate in a range of different ways for free. Like we do this literally for free. And so it's an honor to like go to these sort of things and people come up to you and say thank you, like thank you. It really warms my heart, and I know it warms your heart too, Craig.
Yeah, dude, that was sick. So shout out to everyone who came along. Ended up being more people than we thought too. So I was like, oh wow, okay, we filled up the room, which was nice. But yeah, dude, it was a good night. Went really well. I think people had a great time. I had a great time. Yeah. I know you did, and yeah, I just thought it went as 10 out of 10, dude.
I think it's an exciting time for crypto in Australia because we have so many of our friends, so many people that we tune into every day are usually worldwide, predominantly in America or predominantly in Europe, UK. So it's nice to try and put Australia on the planet. And that's what we've always kind of been backed by. We have a lot of strong presence overseas. So it's nice to put Australia crypto on the map as well. So super exciting times. I think there's a lot of upside for crypto in Australia. And hopefully Craig and I can do a few more of these sort of IRL events in the coming year or so. Yeah, it'd be super epic to do that. So I know it's on our radar. I know it's on our plan. So hopefully OKX and other people are keen to continue doing that moving forward. Here's a little clip. Shout out to Aussie from GTG. It was so good to catch up with him IRL as well. One of the best traders I know. And yeah, I mean, we've just been cooking on an ETH long that he shared literally yesterday. So absolutely up on profits there. But shout out to him for recording. Look, again, raw footage, which I kind of like. Yeah, it's good to have raw footage like this rather than this professional look all the time. So here's a little clip. It's about a minute long. It's classic, just Greenie going on a tangent, really.
Market price action, we both, I'm very technical analysis based, and you've learned to become technically gifted as well. So as you see here on the screen, we've got a range of different charts that we always like to refer to basically in our daily show and in the GTG community is just understanding it from a macro sense so that you can form a bias on a low time frame sense. And I know a lot of people want to chase 100x meme coins, but the realistic perspective that we like to take is that wealth takes a long time to build, and it's about consistent processes, a consistent trading plan, and compounding your knowledge, not only your portfolio, but compounding your knowledge over time, so that when you get to a difficult decision, when you're super euphoric or you're super, like in recent times where we've seen a bit of a pullback, where you're like, well, is this a weak trade and is this going to run it back, or is this something I should cut and save that liquidity for a better sort of opportunity?
So yeah, there's a little bit of a clip. I'll put the whole, I think it's only about 20 minutes, so it should be sweet. I don't know if we have the Q&A. It would have been good to have the Q&A as well recorded, but you'd have to probably spam between us and then
you'd have to cut.
Yeah, it would have been hard to, like, you probably need to hire a proper
videographer.
Sorry, yeah. So maybe this is something like we will be at ACC. Hopefully we'll be doing a chat there as well. That's in the weeds, in the works at the moment. So if you are a crypto lover in New Zealand, Australia, maybe even Asia, you could probably come down to Sydney in about 2 months' time. and join us, and many creators and many huge exchanges and everything. Really, it was a buzz last year. 10,000 people, I think, last year at Australian CryptoCon. So super excited about that, and yeah, that'll probably be our next event, Craig.
Yeah, that's going to be. I think that one will be really good. We obviously went to it last year. That was a good time. I think going to it this year will be probably even better. I know for one, it's always nice to go a second time. In regards to the first time, you're kind of fumbling your way around and like, where's everything and like, how does it work and where is the hotel near the event and where, you know what I mean? It's all that weird stuff. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That should be a good time. And look, if we get to do a little panel, whatever there, alongside OKX, that'll be sick, dude. I'd love to do something like we did in Brisbane, but on a
larger scale.
On a larger scale, obviously Sydney's going to have a much bigger audience, especially over that weekend. That'll be nuts, dude. So that'll get the adrenaline pumping.
You know what I was thinking though, Craig? We need to get merch. I think we need to have a GC Crypto merch. Like, shout out to OKX for sending us merch, but it would be dope to have GC Crypto or Greeny and Craig merch. So we'll have to think about this.
Yeah, I know, with our big heads on there, eh? Imagine that.
My
head on my shirt, just my head.
Yeah, or no, the opposite. You have my
head.
I have yours. Yeah. But guys, we literally stepped away from the markets yesterday and we got a pump. So I love to see it. I took this ETH long last night in GTG. So really nice breakout so far. Interesting times. Like, I mean, BTC is back at 112. ETH is nearly at 4.5. Sol's back at 210. So really nice move over the past sort of 24, 48 hours or so. I think, like, again, I'm not bearish here. I'm not bullish. I just think we chop. I think we chop here for a while. And I post that on Twitter and I've been speaking about that on the show for quite a while. I think it's an interesting time. Like, September is historically bearish. Like, you can't argue with the stats, and people can take a contrarian view. People can agree with me there, but in the same capacity, you still go and look at what price action is doing. You don't just go, oh, September's bearish, I'm going to step away for a month, or all this sort of stuff. So, for me, Craig, this is a really nice move. It's probably unexpected, but it's nice to see a bit of a breakup in across the board. And I am long in a few tokens. Like, BTC here is really interesting. We're coming to a big level for BTC specifically. I had orders sort of hit the other day at about 107. So, I mean, like, I have a spot bag. I have a long open from 107. So I'm up about 5% on 100x leverage, actually. So that's I'm up 5x on that trade at the moment. So, I mean, big level here, though, on low time frames for those guys that love to scalp and swing trade. Big level here for BTC the cross. Maybe we reject from here, set a high low. Then we break this sort of high time frame sort of level that we're trying to get above as well. So we have obviously broken out there. But Craig, did you end up buying any Pengu or any BTC or anything like that, or were you greedy for lower, mate? Were you greedy for lower?
I was a bit greedy for lower, to be honest. So no, I hadn't bought yet. Mainly just a time thing, to be honest. Like, I just haven't. I got home yesterday. I can't even think what I fucking did, dude. Like, washing, you know what it's like when you've been away. Like, I was cleaning up the house. So now I looked at the charts a little bit yesterday. I looked at my abstract port, cried myself to sleep for a little bit. And then I did look at the charts real quick. But no, I didn't buy anything, dude. I was just saying hello to mum and dad again and all that stuff, seeing my boy. So being away from him, I was like, spending time with him. So today is more of a day to look at the charts, which was annoying because when we were away, it kind of pumped again. I'm like, fuck. But I don't really care, dude. My bags are fairly well packed. It's not like I need more. Like, to be honest, I'm actually quite happy now not to buy more. Because you asked me the other day about my stables. I worked it out a bit more accurately. I'm probably 20% stable, not 30, which is what I said. So I'm probably 15. Actually, I'm probably 15% to 20 stabled. So I'm quite keen to keep that for the bear market, if that makes any sort of sense, because I just don't want to put money in, get trapped, and go down. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm enough in the market. But I must admit, if there is a bigger dip, I will be buying more. So I will probably spend probably another 10% of that. So I am keen to buy, but I missed probably the good buy opportunity. But I don't mind buying a breakout either. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm comfy. You and me were buying Bitcoin around the 108, 109, 110, 111. So any sort of move north from here, dude, I'm up on those buys, and you would be as well. I'm just not. I'm not convinced Bitcoin will break through here.
Oh my God, Rect is up.
Rec's up.
Oh my
Oh
God,
yeah,
Rect looks
that's
good
nice.
here. I think I still have a bag of that. Let's check. I should have a bag of it. Yeah. So I agree, Craig. Yeah. So you think we will reject and create a lower high?
I wouldn't. Yeah, lower high. I don't know, man. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, like I'm not sure. I mean, like, dude, I've been saying this now. If you go back to our streams for about 6 months, I've been saying this is the part of the cycle that I find the most challenging. It's the bloody top of. It's always the top, because once you get to price discovery and all-time highs, there's just no historical levels to work with. Yeah, we got levels to work with here, but man, they're just in their infancy. So it makes it trading so fucking hard. So if anyone's out there finding it tricky to trade at the moment, you're not the only one. Man, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm actually really torn, Greeny. I'm really torn to say whether it rejects here or whether that just slices through and just. I kind of wonder more psychologically, market makers, what would cause more pain. That's normally what I think about. What will catch them the most amount of people on the wrong side of the trade? And I can't make up my mind from here. If it sends, will that catch more people off guard, or would a bigger dip catch?
I think the main, that's a good question in itself. The main catalyst this month is FOMC. Far out, man. That's literally when I'm traveling. That's literally when I fly out.
Is that?
Yeah, so that'll be annoying. So this is the main catalyst I think a lot of people are waiting for. I think I agree with you where we are still at a very, like, this is like two different charts of BTC here. Previous all-time high. We are rejecting here on the daily. We might close the daily candle in about 35 minutes below that. That's technically bearish as well. If we look here, we're coming into low time frame sort of breakers as well, where you want to see price push up and take all this, but then show strength and go something and do something like that. So this is an area that we could reject from and then come back down all the way potentially, or come back down all the way to 108. So yeah, I think it's. I've said this for a while. I think it's chop until mid-December. Then we get the obvious rate cut news, and then I think from there we might see that next rally, and we might see that next sort of. Well, the interesting part, and we discussed this at length last week. So if you are new to the show, if you didn't catch our shows last week, we discussed how rates actually impact crypto or risk on assets. It takes time for that liquidity to enter the ecosystems. And for people to feel like they have more wealth or not even wealth, but more money to distribute into risk on assets. So it does take time, guys. So big level here for me today in the next day or so. I might take profit again on my long a little bit here. Took profit on my ETH long, which is great as well. But yeah, look, I like some charts here. Like there's a lot of charts here. I mean, this rec chart I post again, guys, like GTG is printing, but guys, like literally put this on Twitter like a couple of days ago about this chart looks good here, and then it's breaking higher. We reclaimed the 0.5 here, and it looks like it wants to break out higher. So I'm kind of, dude, I wish I plowed more money into this. I wish I only got $5,000 in it, but I wish I had more.
Yeah, that looks nice.
I don't know, like it's an interesting time. Like again, abstract memes are really pulled back as well. Fartcoin is one that I'm long on as well. It's actually, it looks okay, but if it rejects here, as long as it sets a higher low, I don't care. I'm happy to sit in this trade and do this. So again, as long as it doesn't sweep the lows, stop me out, then do that. Oh my God, if it does, I'll be furious. But if it doesn't, hopefully we rally from here. So yeah, I don't know. It's interesting time. We are, like I've been saying, I posted on Twitter last night, like we are in an area where things are starting to approach resistance from months and months, right? So July, even June, like if we go have a look at what's another example, Pengu, it's been down only since about July as well. So it's in this kind of consolidation phase as well. So again, this could go all the way through to mid-September, which is aligns with the FOMC meeting before we do see that rally, right? We might not get the rally from here. Might come down and do this again and do something like that. So we aren't far away, I think, from the next sort of breakout high. I mean, if you look at Bonk as well, it's in this wedge as well that I want to see hold these levels here. We've got 3 taps here. So is that a triple bottom before we break out higher? Pump obviously had a really nice rally as well. So some of these charts
that looks good.
Yeah,
I'm still in, brother.
yeah, nice. I'm long on this bad boy. So
Crazy
love
boy.
seeing that. Love seeing that. But yeah, that's what I mean. Like there's some charts that are breaking higher from setting these higher macro lows here after retesting some nice fibs, and now are breaking higher with volume increasing and stochastic momentum bottomed when they break out. So like that's a lot of people are like, Greeny, like we haven't been trading a lot at the moment. I'm like, well, yeah, it's not hitting the way I like to trade. Like I could go and click buttons all day long, and I promise I would lose thousands and probably tens of thousands of dollars because I don't have a trading plan, right? Instead, I want to trade in the way that I like to trade, and that's just waiting for macro. And I'm just a patient man. I wish I was patient in other things in life, but I'm very patient on the charts. I wish that translates to other things. Hopefully it does. But it's like charts like this. I'm like, I just wait. I'm waiting for charts to give me exactly what I want. Confluence across higher lows here on macro time frame, coming up against resistance, bottom out stochastic. It might have even had, it had bullish divergence here on the 12-hour chart. Things like that. Bang, confluence across that. That's the beautiful chart and the beautiful trades I like to take, rather than just hoping that things are going to go up from here. So there are a lot of trades. I think the Sui ecosystem, I was chatting with, shout out to Shane, my accountant as well, who came to our event the other night. Good guy as well. He's like, oh, Greeny, have you checked out the Sui ecosystem? I said, oh, look, I know what's happening, but he's like, look, volume's up, transactions are up, all these sorts of things are up. I was like, okay, why isn't price up? And he's like, oh, look, I think it's being suppressed. I think there's some token unlocks. So I put a tweet out last night, and that tweet did pretty well as well in terms of it's Sui ecosystem and what people are enjoying there. So this is one that I'm keeping an eye on. It's not like Sexy's in GTG from about the lows here. Give me another high low, and I become very interested in opening a pretty decent sized bag of this. But I mean, if you do look at this, like a lot of charts are still like this. They're still consolidating in a massive flag before we do break higher. Deep Book's is another one in the Sui ecosystem that I took a trade on yesterday as well that I really like here. Even DeFi is heating up. So Aave bouncing from this breakout level as well. So I don't know, Craig, are you interested? You said before that you're not interested at all in buying here. If we do see a pullback, are you interested in buying?
What are they?
Anything.
Yeah, but probably quite minimal gain, man.
Higher risk things, or what? Because we're at the end of the cycle, are we looking for those higher risk plays, or what's your thesis?
With me, yeah. Look, high risk plays I wouldn't mind. I probably will. Oh, you see, it's tricky. I was going to say I'll DCA more into abstract meme. Actually, that's probably what I will do. I think I'll go abstract memes.
Okay.
Not because I'm saying everyone else, maybe everyone else should, but more so to speed run myself to platinum, and I think they'll cop bids. I still think they will. I still think these have a lot of potential upside. I think the risk reward on these is actually, I mean, it won't take much from Luca to say for these to go. And I know trading on wanting an announcement's not always the best way to be, but charts look bottomed out. We're coming up to Q4. I think these are good bets, bro. So I think abstract meme coins for me, Pingu, just Pingu itself on any chain, I would grab. Probably on Sol, I'll grab it.
I bought some on my exchange separate to abstract. People will be like, you're not getting the XP on that. I don't really care.
Yeah, same. I think I'm going to do the exchange route and set my sell limits to make life a bit easier for myself. Speed run it to platinum and then trade these like a degenerate gambler slash trader. Other things I'm looking at probably more Bitcoin if it dips. If we get one more dip on Bitcoin, I'll go again. I'll buy one more time. I've held off. I've tried to be patient to not just keep buying the same level over and over and just like having my bag go to zero as far as my dry powder. If we get another dip on Bitcoin, I'll buy. As far as altcoins go,
have you bought? Talk to us about what your portfolio is made up of right now. Like be percentages. Talk about structure of your port, because I think that helps us understand a bit probably from your risk.
Yeah, so I would be. Let me quickly work it out. Napkin math. I think I'm probably 50% Bitcoin, and then it's ended up being 50% Ethereum or Ethereum based assets. And that mainly comes down to my big pudgy being worth so much now. Okay. So I'm probably 60% Bitcoin, And then 60% Bitcoin, 40% ETH and Ethereum based assets. Runes and that. No, that was only about 5%. Ordinals about 5%.
Oh,
so probably 60, 70, 80, probably 80% Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Mm-hmm.
And then it gets quite small from there. Pepe, Mog. So the other 20% are made up of Pepe, Mog.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, and then that's it, I think. I don't
Mm-hmm.
think I have a lot more. I think I've just got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Pengu, some Solana, but it's minimal, bro. Yeah, so 80% Bitcoin and Ethereum based assets and ETH, and then the other 20% is ordinals, some runes, but it's minimal. That's about it. I don't think
Okay.
I've got much more, dude. Yeah, not really.
Very fair, mate. Very fair.
I'm very lean on, like for instance, abstract memes. I've probably got about 6 of them. That's enough for me. I don't want more. Sorry, about 5.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to have to keep my eyes on more than that.
Yeah.
Altcoins, I've still got a bit of render, but it's like not where it's like 0.05% of my port. So
yeah,
I hardly consider I even have it.
Yeah.
So that's about. It's pretty boring. But in regards to downside risk, low. Upside risk also not that great, but I've also keep in mind I've been riding Bitcoin up since about 30K, so I'm well up there. So I can't lose. I'm really scared to say that out loud because I'm pretty superstitious. But even if Bitcoin went to zero now, I've still I need a wallet tracker. Maybe I do actually. Maybe I do. That's probably a good point. I probably would. Man,
I used to do a spreadsheet.
Nightmare, though.
I used to do a spreadsheet, and I haven't done it for a while. So
yeah. I do have an idea what I own, bro. Just not exact percentages.
Yeah.
But yeah. I'm sitting pretty, bro. I'm heavy Bitcoin, as you know.
Yeah. No, it's interesting. I'm in. I think. Well, like now that I'm about to travel, my mindset will shift a little bit to more passive approaches. Obviously, I'll try and plug in when I can for trades, but yeah, I don't mind some abstract memes here. To be honest, with a nice pullback, I do think there's some good opportunities over there. So maybe I should buy some today or so. We'll wait and see. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, market. Yeah, I think we're going to chop here for a while. I think the market is going to chop here for a while. And again, strength is going to win. Strength is going to win. So, like, I mean, Radium's done really well, but it's back in its range. So I think there's a few charts that I don't mind that have been not on the radar for a while. So Radium's back in a range. AVAX is actually in a range as well. This is one that I'm keeping an eye on. If it does break out of this range, I do become interested in a long as well, not necessarily spot. Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. It's interesting. Craig, let's move over to Yeet or Zeet. I don't know. How do you say it? I think it's Zeet. Maybe it's Zeet or Yeet.
Yeah.
No, it's not Yeet, but it's Zeet. But anyways, overnight they changed their algo. I think they finally reconfigured it a bit. So I went and had a look and so obviously Zach XBT with a few tweets has gone pretty viral and earned this. Becca's on here as well, mate. So this is the full crypto list. So these are like full crypto creators. So anybody, I think, on crypto Twitter. So if we have a quick look. So I'm 70. You're 806.
Am I? Yeah, I haven't even looked at it.
Eli, 59. Eli's ahead of me on this one. Congrats. So it's interesting. Like this is people on this list are funny. Anyways, we have a look. Like, yeah, it's got Kobe and everyone on this. So I think this covers everybody on crypto Twitter. So I mean, if you didn't make Thread Guys top 75, if you're in the top 75 for this, I think you're killing it. So that qualifies for me as well. Let's go. So anyways, it's just interesting seeing this platform do really well as well. Then they have this leagues one, which I don't know how this is different. I think this is based on total Zeets earned, right? So signals is about signal strength. So again, we don't know, like signal just means like how much do people value it rather than engagement farming, right?
Gotcha.
Is probably the main thing. So limited noise, more signal. Okay, this is probably the takeaway there. The Zeets is the amount of Zeets that you've earned. So, for example, I think I'm like actually pretty high on the platform for Zeets. So I'm 26 for total Zeets on the platform. Eli, what are you on? Oh, didn't want to work. Eli, 31. So we're both pretty high, pretty close. Craig, how many Zeets have you earned? 497, mate. You've got one signal on this one. So, you got 73 noise, mate. You need to sort your tweets out.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how you earn this, dude. Like, to be honest, I haven't gamed this at all.
Yeah. So, no, I think this will be interesting. I think they'll have tournaments coming soon. Should be lots of fun. But this is, again, another sort of new, I think what did Pond say this morning? It's not info fights, informational capital markets or something. I think he called it. So, yeah, it's kind of cool to see that play out as well. I think it's not a bad area to keep an eye on as well. And that's obviously on Abstract as well. So that's pretty cool. I don't mind participating in that. So, yeah, anything else really? I mean, again, like there's not much news happening. Moonbird's holding 3 ETH. Pudgy Penguins holding that 10 ETH mark. Bored Ape Yacht Club's basically holding their 9 ETH mark. Punks have pumped back up. I think they were about 195 when I was looking at them yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's weird, but if Punks get to like 150K to 100K, it's probably a buy. I know it's a lot of money, but that's probably a buy in my opinion. So it's interesting. Little Pudgy's back 5.1K. They haven't really moved. Mythics at 0.38 at 1600 as well. Autoglyphs must have had a few sales. 420 grand. Jeez. Azuki lost 2 ETH, so they're back at 1.7 as well. But yeah, it's interesting. I mean, NFTs haven't really received much volume either over the past week or so. So yeah, it's interesting times. I think it's just sit on your hands, really. It is just sit on your hands, be happy with what you're in, and see how you guys go. Are you guys minting the Gigaverse eggs? Again, all these things are like what I hate about being in crypto in Australia is that you literally you miss all of these announcements.
Yeah, I just saw Gigaverse eggs just as I was scrolling down the list there, and I was going to ask, what is that? It must just be, it's going to mint soon. When is it? When does it mint?
I don't know.
I'm like, oh, man. What do they give you? What do they give you? What do we get?
I don't know. Pad, do you have any more information on it?
Give me more.
I mean, Gigaverse are cooking, man. It's so good to see.
They are cooking. I saw they put up. I've got to catch up with all their.
I know this is what happens when you go away, Craig. You miss so much.
I'm like, they've got a mint coming. What the hell? Like, is it
7 days? Oh, it opened today. So wait, but like, how much does it cost to mint? You need them in the new world coming. Okay. Nah, Greeny, being Oz is no excuse for not knowing about eggs. Rizuka, legend. I'm overwhelmed by stimulation that I get.
Yeah, man.
It's like, again, going back to my accountant the other day, he's like, oh, Greeny, I've looked at this. I'm like, sorry, bro, I can't look at that. I'm just too busy doing other things. So
yeah,
I know. So it's minting on OpenSea. It's unsupply. Yeah, you're in New Zealand, Rizuka, but you're plugged in, legend. I'm doing a lot.
I've just got Jion, if that's how I say your name, saying ROMs will get dropped eggs.
Oh, so if I hold 10 ROMs, I don't need to worry about the eggs? How many have ROMs pumped since I sold them? Betcha. Oh, they have pumped. I should have been more patient. Anyways, I still own 10. So will I get some? You can fill me in.
Yeah, so if we own ROMs, guys, do we get it airdropped or do we get a free mint or what do we?
Yeah, talk to us. What's
happening? What's happening? Although, and I think we might have Dith on next week, maybe.
Okay, well, yeah, I saw he just posted about Eli, so hopefully we get him on next week as well. I think you can mint him right now, they said. Here we go. So do I need to, it's an open edition, that's the word. $30, max 10 per wallet. Is this on Abstract? Yeah, on Abstract. 7,000 being minted. I mean, maybe this is going to be a cook. Should I mint 10 of these or will I get some?
What's it, $30 each?
Yeah, you'll get different ads, not like the ones that I'm minting. Oh, well, far out, bro. I'll mint.
Do ROM people get better eggs?
Maybe.
Should be, right?
That's maybe why they pumped. All right, I'm minting 10. I'm max minting or whatever.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Wait, why is this? Oh, dude, okay. Now we have an issue here. It's because I'm not in my Abstract wallet. Here we go. All right, here we go. How much is it, ETH? Oh, I thought you said it was 6.69 to mint. I was like, no, thank you, bro. All right, $300. Oh, I need my thing. Hold on.
1 egg for 1 ROM airdropped after the mint ends. Okay, cool.
So I have 10. So I'll get another 10. So I have 20. I don't mind that. That's a good number to have.
And we need it for the next next part of the world or something like that.
All right, there we go, chat. I'm minting an NFT. Hey, I'm pretty sure the last NFT we minted on stream, Craig, was the Dream Ilios, and they absolutely cooked. So there we go, chat. There we go.
I need to get some ETH in my wallet so I can mint that bad boy.
Do you not have any ETH in your wallet on Abstract, Craig?
I don't think so. I gave it all to the market when I was buying Memecoins before you dirty dogs dumped on me.
I've got like 10K of stables. I need to maybe deploy some of that 10K of stables.
I just sent you a link. Oh, cool. You seen it? Yeah. Looks a bit like they're making it like Cambria now. Yeah.
So Gigaverse, yes, announced a 2 million raise from one confirmation. Bro, Diff, our DMs are open, bro. You want my money? I'll give you my money. I'll invest in you.
Yeah, why didn't it?
I would have gladly given you 10K or something.
Would have gladly given you $1 million.
Yeah, the million I don't have. Tease the graphic of the open world. So it is becoming an open world MMO. Rolled out time limited Giga Juices and new skins. Well, I think I've still got Giga Juice for like hundreds of days. Scheduled a one-on-one auction for tomorrow. Oh, that's right. Launched their egg giveaway. Their mint on open on the same day. Yeah, I agree. But wait, there's more. Oh, hectic! Up the boys. I also saw this too. This is big. This is pretty big. Oh, they follow me. I should probably follow them back. Where is it? Wait, what? I swear I saw it. Maybe it was. Wait.
Is it merge mining or something?
No. They're doing giveaways. It's like, they pinned it. That's why I didn't see it. Okay, this is huge. So this week? Yeah, today. Wait, no, maybe next week. Anyways, Bitcoin Blackwell week. So 7 days, 7 Blackwell miners will be given away. This is like 10. That's like $12,000, right? Monday. So I assume this is next week. Yeah, starting next week. Most referrals. So I assume that's whoever gets the most referrals to Bitcoin platform. Tuesday, best video about Bitcoin. Wednesday, most enterprise GPUs. So I'm pretty sure that's a miner. Thursday, Abstract Bridger. So the largest person to bridge money over to Abstract. I can sell some shit, bridge some money. Friday, best white paper thread. Saturday, prettiest mining room. Sunday, mystery. Starting next Monday, more details come. This is pretty epic. See, I like it's cool. Hey, Bitcoin and Gigaverse, they're heating up. They're heating up. So I love to see it. Not disclosed if ROM's eggs are rarer than the ones that you can mint. Surely they would be. If you're part of the ecosystem already, you should deserve, in my opinion, you should get a better opportunity in something.
Yeah, agree.
All right, well, I minted 10.
Yeah,
there's a giveaway. Okay, so what? There's a giveaway. There's a Gigaverse giveaway as well. Goodness me.
Are ROMs up, are they?
Yeah, 0.14. I weaved it, dude. People in the Gigaverse have been laughing at me because I weaved into like 0.9 bids.
That's right.
Yeah. I don't care, chat. It doesn't bother me. Whatever. Okay, I wanted liquidity. I've got stables. I don't really care.
You got it wrong, Greenie. You got the timing wrong.
I got it wrong, mate. Well, the meme coins are down and I stabled up, so that's fine. I can make where's this giveaway? Yeah, so they raised 2 million. They got some big names on here. Would have been good to be on this list. Is Zeneca on this list? No. Kicks, you dirty dog. Dude, Kicks, come on, bro.
Oh, is this the investors?
This is the investors. Yeah, bro, I would have literally invested. There's some big names on here. Sammy. Interesting. Here we go. Tomorrow, 4 p.m., 4th of September, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, an auction will go live for a special one-of-one GLHF character. Juicius Maximus. Details about his special abilities will be announced in on Discord. The auction, so it's an auction. Hectic. I wonder how much that'll sell for. They'll probably sell for, I reckon it'll sell for 5 to 10 ETH.
I reckon bloody Eli will probably buy it.
Yeah, dude, I actually backed that. Eli, are you putting a bid on this?
He's in the chat now. GM JD, how are you, brother or sister? I don't know.
I
what
mean,
that
Eli
is.
didn't invest either. Eli didn't invest. Maybe
Yeah, I saw that.
probably a conflict of interest, man.
I was going to say possibly now that he's on the team, but then he might get a cheeky
might get a
hello,
stimmy.
wouldn't he?
I get a stimmy.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah, so Rizuka says 15, Raro says 17 ETH. Yeah, I reckon 10 to 20 ETH is probably a fair amount. I mean, juicy. Okay, my guess. Here's my guess. Juiciest Maximus means that you just don't ever have to worry about having juice again, and you have maximum juice, right? You don't have to pay for it. It never expires. Blah blah blah. You get incentives like that. Would be my hazard the guess. Could be out to lunch, but then anyway. So I minted some eggs.
Yeah, good man.
These are kind of cool looking. I nearly used the S word, and my wife would have been unhappy if I said that word, so I'm not going to say that word.
Really sick.
Yeah, no, that's okay. I'll use that word. These are sick.
These are sick, mate. These are fucking sick.
Yeah,
I love the out. Worth every penny, dude. 50 Australian dollars for that. Well worth it. Can you believe it?
On my wall.
Imagine one of your friends watching this, and you're like, I just
spent $500 on these on eggs. I'm going to a Bucks party tomorrow. I'll say, and they'll be like, "Hey, mate, how's crypto?" I can't wait to see what they bloody say. But anyway,
they're gonna think you've gone.
Hey,
crazy.
yeah, I just minted some crypto eggs yesterday for $500.
Yeah, man, it's so funny. Hey, I've got a bit of action on Abstract. 22 people watching there. Shout out Abstract. Good on you.
Let's go. You're cooking, mate. I'm only on 10.
It's good for me. I did put Frankie Go 2 as the game I was playing, which isn't out yet. So maybe people thought I was actually playing the game.
Oh, the dirty dog.
It didn't work last week, that trick, but maybe this week it worked, guys.
Dirty dog.
But yeah, I'm in some of those eggs. I do like to support Death. We should have him on the show next week, guys. So hopefully we can.
Yeah, okay. We need to lock him in. Do we have Vo next week as well or not? You have unconfirmed?
I'm having trouble getting what's the word I can use? Timely replies, man.
She's a busy chick.
She's busy. I think it's going to be it'll be one of those cases. She'll just reply randomly one day, going, "Can you do Thursday?" So
yeah,
I'll follow her up today. I have followed up, so we got a few coming up. It's just this week for Greenie and I was not chaos, but just not the best week to have people on. I don't want to half-ass.
No, I agree.
Yeah, you want to be like, energy's got to be good for someone as good as Vo, Greenie. I need to.
100%. You want to be plugged in. I agree.
Yeah, don't want to get smoked by Vo.
But I mean, I mean, next week we should try and maybe do 2 or 3 people because I'm away from the week after.
That's right. That's sure.
Actually, no, but maybe that's fine because then you can interview people on the days that I can't tune into the live stream too. So
good point. Hey, who knows? I might even get Vitalik then, Greenie, while you're involved. I could get Vitalik.
Okay, don't leak our DMs, bro. Right?
Satoshi's coming on, guys, next week. I've got Satoshi coming on. Al Feeney or whatever one of the rumors. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll get some guests next week. Probably get Eli on a couple of bonus times. The most handsome man on Abstract. We'll get him on.
Yeah, I think he's good to go tomorrow, guys. So I'm away tomorrow as well. Yeah, I think he said.
Great. I won't be alone. So Eli, and so that'll be interesting. Get ready for an action-packed show of technical difficulties and jokes, guys. So great. Greenie's on the road, guys. He's going to a Bucks party, or do you call it a stag do in America?
Yeah, stag do. Yeah. So playing golf, drinking beers, doing some silly things, probably. Yeah.
Yeah. Loose woman.
It'll be just like it's like 4 hours away from me. So I'm just like, so tomorrow morning, I'm like, I think I'm gone by 8 a.m. and then I'm probably not back till 6 p.m. on Sunday. So and then I'll have to like Monday. Hey guys, it's a new week. I'm like, yeah, bro, I'm just exhausted.
Good morning, everybody.
And I've driven this road 3 times already. 4 times this week. So it'll be another 2 times I got to drive this road. So
we need now see why Bodoggos has someone like Ray.
Yeah, who's just consistent. Yeah, well, hey, again, Craig and I, we've been talking about this. Like, once GC Crypto maybe gets a bit bigger, we become a bigger media brand. Hopefully, we'll be able to pay someone to be our partnerships manager, pay someone to be the host of the show when we're maybe away, and then that way, kind of build it. And now these things take time. Like PO, Nick, and Easy had to stream when Kicks did for years before they could get to where they are today. So again, that's the passion of us, and it would be dope to ideally have I love having Eli on the show. It's a good different perspective, different time zone and stuff. It would be cool to have more in-house Australians that join us more regularly. But again, we'll have to just wait and see what can happen from there. Are there any other Aussie creators, guys? I don't know.
Yeah, who's the other good Aussie creators that
you
guys follow?
I don't know. It's a few. Like I know people who run like groups and trading groups and whatnot, but no, not real like big creators. So,
Hey,
anyways,
Floppy got accepted for streaming on Abstract. Shout out Floppy.
let's go, Flop. GG's.
Let's go, Flop.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's sick. They obviously accepting more people, which is cool. Have you seen the creator for Pump.Fun streamers? Have you seen the creator earnings?
Oh, no.
They're large, bro.
What do you mean?
People that are might have to talk offline with you, but people that are gaming the streaming system, they are earning quite a lot of creator fees.
Yeah, I actually saw that.
Even the mid tiers are.
Yeah, but I don't know, Craig. It's like you have to create a token to stream, and like I don't know if you can even stream to Pump Farm. I know and multiple platforms at the same time. I don't know. I mean, we could.
Maybe my alt needs to go on.
I was going to say maybe you should just do your own stream and just see how it goes.
Yeah, and then if it all turns to shit, you'll be fine, eh?
And then I'm okay.
Sweet. Yeah, no worries. I'll get on to that today.
I don't know. I'm not let's talk on that topic, like the whole Zora thing as well. What's your opinion on creator tokens economy as represented as price?
Ooh, I actually think they could do well, which I didn't think I'd say. It makes me sick that I said that. I think if streaming becomes, but then what? I guess it's just a bet by the punters who's going to become or stay the biggest streamers in the space. So it's a popularity contest.
Yeah.
But what's the real utility to holding it apart from just
supporting
popularity? I get it. I understand it. I just wonder, like, will people still be trading Gainsey in 6 months?
Well, he dumped on his.
Did he really?
Said it was a misclick, but he dumped a shit ton of the supply. So we had two of our favorite creators out there yesterday just rinse their followers.
So what? Gainsey's claiming a misclick.
Yeah,
okay. I don't think Gainsey misclicks. Bro.
No, Gainsey, mate, you've been doing that shit for years. Okay? You don't misclick. You don't misclick 70% of your supply and dump your token. Secondly,
did he buy back Greeny immediately?
I think he did. I don't know, but he bought back via liquidity pools or something. I'm not sure.
Oh my god! Why didn't you just buy back normal like he sold?
I don't know. And then we also had our favorite creator, Cook, also supposedly get hacked, raised a couple of $100,000, and then delete the tweet to say no. Like that dude has done shit like that all cycle, right? Like it's so you don't even know if it's legit. Like you can't.
Well, he got hacked for a couple of hours, and then got his account back.
Yeah, and then he said, "Oh, look, I had a pump fun session that was like people hacked my account and blah blah blah." Honestly, if you hack someone like that, I would delete the account. I thought about that yesterday. I was like, if you hack someone like that, just delete it. Like,
yeah, I would just buy it. All years of work.
That's a bigger L than anything. Like launching a token or anything like that.
I'm not sure if you get your account hacked, if you can get it back that fast, dude.
I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know, bro. It seems all a bit.
I might have to fake a hack soon, eh?
Yeah. Oh, hey guys, faking a hack. I'm raising $1.7 million. Oh, shit.
Supported by Memecoins brands. Yeah. No, I won't do that, guys. If you ever see a link up for the low cap shit, it's probably
100%. If you ever see any account that's got shit like that, it's a big no-no. Big no-no.
Actually, I want to ask chat, what do you guys think? Like, say I was to go stream on Pump Fun.
That's a good point. Yeah.
How would you guys feel? What would the taste in your mouth be that I had to release a token? Because my understanding is to be able to stream there, I have to make a token.
That is my understanding.
Like I can't not do it.
That's my understanding.
Is it poor form? Say I want to stream there and take advantage of the creator earnings, which I think most humans would be silly not to.
Yeah.
Is it a dirty move to go and create a token there, or is that just fair game, chat? What do you reckon?
Yeah, I don't know. It's a good question. Let's see what chat comes back with. Bit Jenny, the code for this week's giveaway. You got to sign up for Yeet. Okay, I'll put the link in the description again. Okay, you got to sign up for Yeet. Okay, trade some volume on the platform. And the code to enter this week's giveaway for $1,000. Okay, it's GC Crypto. Just enter. It's one word. Sorry, it's one word. Okay, one word. Enter that, and you'll be in the raffle. It'll pop up on our screen. It'll pop up on Craig's screen, and he'll do the giveaways tomorrow. So that's for everyone on Abstract and everyone looking as well.
Fair game. Yeah, we got one person saying it's fair game.
Yeah, I mean, like some of those guys were. See, the interesting part is like Gainsey and stuff are paid to go to Pump Fun to stream, and then they also get these extra benefits, right?
Correct. It's
Like,
true.
it's vastly different to someone who's trying to go there to create a name. I just think I don't know. I probably does Link work? Well, yes, it does work.
Should do, guys. In fact, it does. I've seen other people.
Yeah, we've got like 20 people who signed up
Yeah,
on it.
there
So,
is.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. I was looking yesterday. It's fair game, bro. Launch the token if you want to stream. I mean, one of the things you were saying, Greeny, is potentially can you not stream? Can I restream to there?
I would assume you probably can because you just like how it works and how we currently stream to Abstract is you just have the stream code.
Yeah, you plug in like there's at the API. I'm
Yeah.
retarded with words like that, but something like that, right?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Like, what's his name from Flipster? Tom, legend. Sorry, Tom. That's embarrassing to not remember your name. Sorry, I'm tired, bro. I'm like Greeny the other day. My brain's like fucked. That's why when Greeny was asking me my port, I was like,
this
not a good time.
Week,
also, the problem with giving port percentages is when NFTs fluctuate like 30% in a day, and your NFT was worth 100 grand and now it's 70 grand. It's like I have to like recalibrate my brain. So forgive me for being slightly out there, but I'm one of those guys, dude. I like to tinker with new shit, so it's kind of frustrating that Pump Fun did that.
How many? I mean, I'll go have a look at the site in a sec. I'm just buying some. And just to reiterate, the only time I'm on Abstract, guys, is when I stream. That's why I trade when I'm on Abstract because that's the only time I'm on Abstract.
It's actually a time saving.
I don't sit on Abstract at 8 o'clock at night at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, that's why I do stuff now.
Also, Greeny, if you're going to sell to the viewers out there, now's not a bad volume time as well.
Mm-hmm.
Like what I mean by that is you can cop pumps and stuff now because America's sort of still around. I find towards lunch in Australian time, volume dies off. So if you are going to sell, you're like Greeny's saying, it's probably better for the chart to sell into volume.
Yeah. This big dog jumped on yesterday, Craig, and had a token run up to 40 million. Yeah.
I saw this, and this is someone was mentioning they bumped up creator fees or something like that. That's why a lot of creators are now starting to become interested in this platform. But a very smart move, actually, by Pump Fun. They're starting to give away a bit of money, I suppose.
So you earn it, you just earn from the fees, or you have to have liquidity in the pool?
I'm not sure. I just had another guy in a group chat who's really plugged in. He's an OG, and he was saying to me, dude, he was basically saying you and Greeny need to be on there.
Really?
Because you're literally burning money not being on there. He goes, he basically said you can set up just farms where you just play music, bro, lo-fi and farm.
So that's like, it's so Razmir. So you can't even look at the number.
So bro, go look at Chill House's creator fees if you can.
How do you do that?
They're fucked. I've got a screenshot.
All right, there we go. Wait, how do you look at their creator fees?
I've got a screenshot, so I'm not sure how to look at it, but I might go back quickly and tell you what it was yesterday. Fuck, where is it?
And again, I need to know, how do they?
They were sitting at $47,000 creator fees yesterday.
Fuck, bro. But they've had a token that goes to 30 mil since May. So this token's been live.
$47,000 in creator fees.
How much?
$47,000
in total. So 50 grand over the past couple of months. That's pretty good.
How
do you see it though?
Yeah, I just got a screenshot.
Can you DM that to me? And I'll is it on the website or is it like on chain or something?
Yeah, I'll save this image. So it was 222 souls so far in creator fees. So they've been streaming 4 months at approximately 11.5 grand a month they're earning.
That's better than a full-time salary.
Bro, that's why that dude messaged going, you're retarded if you're not there, Craig. And I was like, show me the numbers. And he showed me them. And look, he did say, he goes, Chill House is an outlier. I'm not saying you'll earn that much, but he said there's mid-tier creators that are sort of $5,000 US. And I'm like, fuck, it's pretty good, bro. It's pretty good. It's just the only thing is, like you and I spoke about a little while ago, I didn't want to go there and then the community fucking attacked us for it.
Well, like how, like, you know me, guys. I sell. I click sell.
I wonder, like, if I was
if you
to
earn
go,
fees, though, if you earn fees, that's different.
yeah, I thought about it. I was like, well, what if I just don't hold any of my own tokens?
Fair.
But then do people get mad because I'm not supporting
Yourself?
My tokens? It's like, oh, fuck. Like, because with FriendTech, one of the things you could do to help your holders was you own a certain amount of the supply to keep the price.
How much supply does Razmir own of his token? All of these are pretty low. Like, oh no, 79%. Yeah. Does he own Hidden? Does he own is that his wallet? 79%?
I think so, wouldn't you?
You just like, or is that the liquidity pool that he, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Creator address 79%. Yeah. So he owns 80% of his token, which means only 20% of supply is tradable.
We've got Colin here saying, based on the question we asked about whether it's a bit naughty to go there, he goes, I think you and Greeny would be upfront about managing expectations and risks in situations where you'd exit. Some people might think it's a bet on the GC crypto brand growth over time, which I agree with.
That's actually fair.
And the ability to get attention. You're already consistently streaming content, so I think there would be a bid based on that. And I agree. If I was going to bet on streamers who stream consistently, I'd bet on us as well. So,
I mean, you look at this list. There's bloody, I don't know any of these people.
These will be clever fuckers that are just going for fees, bro.
But like a lot of, all-time high, 2 mil, 100K, 70K, 99K, 500K, 100K, 39K.
Probably see a whole bunch of Miladies here.
800K, 4.8 mil, 5.8 mil, 400, 500, 400.
Sure, I don't know any of these names.
No. You never heard of any of these people. It would be fast. Dude, I don't know. I just, does it go against my morals about having a token that is, I don't know. I'm a bit conflicted. But like, if you like, but then if you're like we stream everywhere, right? So it's like, will people get annoyed then that we're adding yet another platform? Like, do we I've generally thought about taking my Twitter off, Craig.
I'm putting it all on Kick.
Yeah, like no longer streaming on Twitter and just going to Kick and Abstract and YouTube only at this point in time.
Yeah, how to join the giveaways. We popped the link in the description. I'll pop it again. If that's for the Yeet giveaway, which I assume.
Yeah, so guys, click here. So it's on here. So you go to the sign it up. Okay, it's in the description. Sign up. You must trade a little bit of volume on there. I'm pretty sure to qualify, as you can see here, these guys. If Craig maybe refreshes his page, maybe refresh that page and just see if that does it update.
Sorry, I just refreshed it. Yes, it did.
It did update. There we go. So offline. So make sure you do sign up. Then you go, oh, no, wait. No, now that it says no raffles there, Craig.
What?
Can you guys see the raffle on your side? GG Martin, can you see the raffle on your side? Or whoever else was asking me as well? Sachi GM, mate. Try GC Crypto again. But that's weird. Hold on, let me see if I can see it on my side. I can't see it on my side, unfortunately.
Oh, raffle for this code word currently exists. It knows it's there.
Oh, so it's there. We just can't see it. Maybe got to be that's weird. That's weird. Anyways, you go there, enter the code, and we'll see it on our side. If not, we'll be talking with the devs. Don't worry. We'll handle it. We'll talk with Mando and the devs.
Yeah.
And
definitely anyone who's got volume there, I dare say, if something F's out,
now, just
we can see your name there.
Exactly. Just to clarify, in future weeks, this first week, we won't worry about volume, but in future weeks, someone who's only got like $20 of volume or something, we probably won't allow you to qualify for the giveaway. Okay. It's just unfair for someone that might have more. So yeah, go to that page, enter GC Crypto. That is the code, GC Crypto, for this week. And Craig will give away the two $500 giveaways tomorrow on the show. So that's in about 24 hours time. Okay. So you must be a live viewer. So GG Martin's on there. Angelo's as well. So yeah, good to see. But yeah, I don't know. Well, maybe we'll have to clarify that as well. We'll have to clarify that.
Yeah, we will. There might be teething problems for this first giveaway. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
But basically, long story short, go on there, sign up through our link, which we've posted on there. Do a bit of volume, and we'll see you on there. So if you do any volume, you come up on the spreadsheet straight away. So it's not a nightmare to work out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'll have it dust by tomorrow. Hey, Greeny, new PFP on other platforms. I see.
Oh yeah, I've been posting some tweets. Yeah, what do we think? What do you think?
Good, man. It's a good photo.
What do you think? New PFP on other platforms, guys? Oh shit! Hold on, my screen's not shared anymore.
That's great photo. Woo! Look at that. The lighting's just
yeah, dude. I need light. I mean, this lighting's not too bad. I finally think I figured it out a bit. Yeah.
This is nice and warm, eh?
Yeah. I mean, I can make mine warmer. It just hold on. Let's see.
Yeah.
Is that better? Is that better than the white?
I don't know.
I can go full tan.
Sure. Yeah, that's good. That's Eli's color. That one. Wow.
Just fully like sunned out. I don't know. What do you think? Like it makes me look real brown now. I don't know. Maybe that one.
What do you think, chat? What do you like? What
color should I go? Should I be? What does that look good? Yeah, that's probably similar to the vibe in there, right?
Yeah, I think that looks good. It looks healthy.
Yeah, I look healthy. You look healthy. What percentage is that? Okay, that's about there. Okay. Better than that? Yeah, I look sick. You are right. I look sick there. So maybe I need to go yellow light. What? Yeah, how do you measure light? It's like Q, I don't know the term. I don't know what the term is.
I've got no idea. That's a question for the wife.
All right. Anything else we want to talk about? I think we've talked about everything today, so I think we're pretty good.
Probably not, dude. Probably not. Yeah, we've got our big giveaway tomorrow, so make sure you guys, if you do want to be part of that Yeet giveaway, jump on the links we've posted quite a few times. Do a little bit of volume. That'll make you stand out a little bit. I'm not saying bet all your money. Don't gamble all your money. Obviously, gamble responsibly. If you saw a person who's got no self-control, don't do it.
100%.
But if you've got a bit of self-control and you've got a little bit of money you want to have a bit of fun with, this is not a bad option. Like Greeny said at the start of the show, they doxed founders. They are going to do an airdrop. And it's 40%. One of those situations whereby the airdrop probably does happen because the founders are fucking doxed. So they're not going to do a runner like other platforms have done over the bull run, which we won't name for the 17th time. But I want to reach out and give me jokes. But yeah, so look, the prize is massive, dude. Those are big prizes. So, bro, if I was gonna farm a drop, I'd be farming us right now. I'd be farming Yeet with us, bro. That's a fucking fat giveaway.
I'd be doing it too. So yeah, and 40% goes away, guys. 40% of the tokens. I assume it won't be straight away, but like it'll be drip dried over like multiple time frames. And these guys they've just had 400. I need to check. I think June should have one. June analytics, Yeet. They might be at $500 million of volume,
which is crazy, huh?
I need to ask Mando if there's an actual Yeet giveaway, Yeet dashboard on June I can track. Nah, okay, let me have a look. Yeet. Trending? No, okay, I can't find it right now. But yeah, they had $400 million of volume. And then 40%. Yeah, guys, like this will be a cook. I think this will be a cook. Let's see if Mando's tweeted about it recently. So, yeah, here we go. Here's the tweet too from Adam. Hold on, let me share. About creator fees. So, Pump Fund creator claims $1.3 million in Pump Fund creator fees. Over 1.3 has been claimed in the creator fees in the first 12 hours of Pump Fund's new fee model. Okay, here we go. So introducing Project Ascend, a series of updates that will 100x the Pump Fund volume ecosystem by making coins more sustainable and aligned with their communities. 10x more creator earnings via dynamic fees, 10x faster processing of CTO creator fee applications. Creators and communities have used creator fees as a tool for marketing, content creation, funding, and ultimately growth. While creator fees were a great proof of concept, they weren't perfect. The problem running a startup viral marketing campaigns, exchange listings, etc. are expensive. The current creator fees don't move the needle. However, raising fees across the board comes at a direct expense of traders and can hurt the coin's ability to grow long term. The solution: Dynamics Fees V1 is a brand new tiered creator fee structure exclusive to Pump Swap, designed specifically to acceleration longevity. Tiered by market cap, meaning that the higher the market cap of the coin, the lower the creator fee.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what's that mean?
Well, I guess the higher the market cap, the creator fee percentage decreases.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that kind of makes sense. Maybe so. I guess that means for the small people, it's good.
Yeah. This fee structure applies to all Pump Swap, whether new or old, meaning existing creators communities can bootstrap themselves for the massive growth. The fee rates earned by the Pump Fund protocol, auto compounding fees to liquidity providers, including the burn LPs, are exactly the same as before. For the full fee structure breakdown, go to pump.fund.fees. Okay, that could be one to look at. So here we go. So now creating on Pump Fund will be 10x more rewarding, meaning we'll see an exponential increase in talent increase. Oh, it actually tickles my fancy. Okay.
I knew it would.
No, but like Colin's right though.
You can also burn tokens on stream if you wanted. Creator fee giveaways you could do back to the community. You can do buybacks.
You're investing in us.
Yeah, so I think there's a possibility there, and I think as long as you give back to, like, say you earn $10,000 in creator fees, if you gave away $2,000 to the community, I don't think anyone would have a problem with you, man.
Yeah, and maybe put $2,000 back into the token or something. Yeah, you don't know.
So
burn it. Like that's a model. That's a model. Back burn.
Yeah, just to fuck around and have fun and tell people, look, don't buy this token because you think I'm going to send it to the moon, but.
So Razmir's earned $10,000. Creator fees. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Yeah, that's why I don't understand what. Oh, because they 10x'd it. So now they're saying what they would have earned.
Oh, shit, bro.
Yeah, I know, dude. That's in 3 months.
Okay, Craig, your job over when I'm away tomorrow is to look into this.
To set this up and launch it.
And we'll have to add it to Restream and all this sort of stuff next week.
And then we'll buy 99% of the supply.
And then you can only trade 1%.
You're just dumb. And then sorry guys, it didn't work out.
Sorry, misclick. Sorry guys, Gainsey did it. I did it too. I'm not a good trader. I'm sorry, I misclicked. No,
I was hacked.
It was sorry guys. I was hacked. We launched a token. I'm sorry.
No, I'll definitely check it out because those creator fees are nothing to sneeze at, dude.
No, well, you know what? The creator economy is changing, and it's not like, hey, we've worked hard for free for years to get where we are. People enjoy the show. We appreciate the tips. We appreciate partnering with sponsors and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, still not going to pay a lot of bills, right? So
no,
this could be cool. And again, it gives other people an opportunity to invest in us, Craig. That's the point I like. And I like Colin's thoughts. I mean, I'll probably be chatting with Colin about, maybe on Monday we can talk about that in our call.
What was I going to say? Oh, also Colin's, what did he say there? Oh, was that Colin? No, Giant's asking for ECA, early contract address, when we launch. Yeah, don't worry, guys.
Yeah.
GTG will be getting ECA, guys.
We put in GTG. Yeah.
No, I'll look at it today, and if it looks like a viable model, main thing for me is that the creator fees are decent enough to be able to give away back to the community. If I can give, basically for me, is if I can work on a company's platform, earn a bit of money, and they pay me generously enough to be able to basically pay or give back to the viewers. Awesome. Awesome.
How much is 420 Sol?
It's fucking
Sol's 210. 88. So that's a 90K. 90K. Holy shit. So if you bond it, yeah, you go way up in creator fee. So the sweet spot is here. So what's 1470? Again, Solana, I'm basing Solana at $210. So between 300K and 90K is the sweet spot.
Is that market cap?
Yeah, is the sweet spot for fees.
So that again?
Market cap. So market cap so if you 0 to 90K, you get 0.3 creator fee. If you bond, which is traditionally around that 88, 90K mark, then you go all the way up nearly to 1%.
And that's 420 Sol.
Yeah.
What's 420 Sol?
420 Sol is about 88K US.
Well, market cap.
Yeah. So okay, So
that's easy, right?
Yeah. Well, we haven't launched a token yet.
All the other times I've launched tokens, Greeny, we hit that every two. No jokes.
So I don't know why they put this in Sol and not just USD.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, I'll send this to Craig, and then here I'll put it in the group chat. Here you go. There.
Look out for a launch, guys.
I don't know. Maybe we'll look into it. Maybe you're right. Hey, look, at the end of the day, so GG Martin said, I can't find the page for the GC crypto raffle. I clicked the link, but it just takes me to the Yeet homepage, and there's nothing else GC crypto related. Just to clarify for this week at least, all we have to do is to be entered is 1, sign up referrals, and 2, code the volume. No, well, you'll have to enter the code. So I mean, Craig, we might have to DM the guys and just see why it's not working.
Get some clarification. Yeah, I will. We'll clear that up today, guys.
Yeah.
So where just for me, where do they enter the raffle code?
I don't know. Well, like I assume when you get to this page, guys, it'll say enter a code.
Because I just don't know if it's different to what I'm seeing.
Yeah, I think we'll ask the dev in our chat because I can. Oh, so Benjamin says he can see the code on his profile. So maybe GG, maybe
Benjamin, could you screenshot that and DM that to one of us, just
so that we can see it from your point of view? Because we have it on the other side, right? So we can't look at that. This is all I can look at. I can't look at anything. I need to probably purchase a VPN or something.
All right, there we go.
Yeah. So Benjamin, can you DM Craig or I on Twitter and with a screenshot of what it looks like on your site, please? That'd be great.
Yeah, that'd be handy.
Cool. Oh, well, I've got another stream with Bybit later today. I've got a call in about 45 minutes.
Nice one.
I can see it on the profile as invited. Sure. Yeah. But do you mean like for the raffle giveaway or just because you signed up with GC Crypto? Big difference there. Big difference. But yeah, I mean, Benjamin's there. So there he is. Number 2 at the moment. But yeah, guys.
Right.
Hopefully, yeah. I mean, we'll reach out. DJ, I'm pretty sure is in the chat room, so we'll talk to DJ about this. But yeah, Craig, you're. I hope on Monday I'm coming back. I'll be tired as hell on Monday. I'll come back and I'll say, hey, Craig, are we launching a Pump Fund this week or not?
Yeah. I know it's exciting, guys. Look out for the.
I don't. Yeah, I mean, chat seems to be like impartial to it. So.
Yeah, I think stealth launch.
No, well, okay, so yeah, a few people say as long as you know you aren't pumping and dumping. Well, no, we wouldn't, right? Because you earn it from the trading fees. Like that's the whole point, right? So,
if anything, if we earn decent creator fees, bro, I'd use some of the fees to buy the token, and I would also give away some of the money. I'd just ask the community what they fucking want. Like I don't care where I put the money. Like whatever you want.
Benjamin, where'd you DM me? On Twitter. Oh, yeah, I had to refresh. Enter referral code, yeah. I'll send this to Craig as well. Okay. So I think that's just referral code though. I don't think that's the giveaway raffle. I've got so many tabs open. I need to close all these tabs. I can put this on stream. Hold on, let me just. Why? Didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh my God, where's the tab? Oh my God. All right, hold on. All right, there we go. Yeah, so enter referral code. I think that's just a referral code for when you sign up. I don't believe that's the raffle code. So I think there is something slightly different. So yeah, we'll call out. Yeah, that's not the raffle code. Yeah, correct. You can't see the raffle. Okay, we'll DM Craig. Can you DM the guys right now, and we'll make sure we have it sorted for tomorrow. Yeah, easy. If not, we'll do a bigger giveaway next week, guys. Hey, don't worry. It'll be $2,000 next week. Okay, whatever. We'll sort this out. We're teething problems, classic teething problems. All right, Craig. Anything else we want to talk about today?
No, dude. No, I've obviously got work to do. We've got to work out that back end stuff. I got my son's birthday tomorrow, so I got to go run.
Oh, happy birthday, big man. How old is he then?
9. He turns 9 tomorrow, so I've got a little bit to do for that. But yeah, we'll get that back end stuff done as soon as we can. I know the guys that we talk to are overseas, so I just have to wait.
Probably till they wake up, yeah.
Till they get back to us. But regardless, I did get Doc's wallet. I don't even know what that means. Yeah, we'll sort all that out in the back end, guys. But basically, long story short, if you sign up under the code and if you do $1 of volume, I'll see you pop up.
Yeah, and anyway. And even if we have to manually do a giveaway this week,
correct.
That's fine.
I don't mind doing that.
We'll do that. Correct. Yeah. So yeah, just sign up, do it. $1,000 tomorrow. Probably be split across maybe 2 people, $500 each, and we're doing it every week. And then, as we said, 40% for an airdrop, Greg. That's pretty big, pretty big, pretty big.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Mate, have a lovely weekend. But I mean, we'll wrap with OKX in a sec. But chat, have a lovely weekend. Craig, have a lovely weekend. I'm away tomorrow, guys. I'll be back on Monday, Sunday night for Americans. I'll probably be very exhausted, so please bear with me.
Yeah, you're going to be bloody knackered.
Yeah. And then one more week, and then I'm traveling. Then I'm overseas. Hiatus over to Spain and to other countries. So it should be a see.
I joined for the yeah, dude. No, that'll be enjoy your little getaway. I'll be enjoying watching South Africa beat the All Blacks at Eden Park for the first time in 100 years. So that'll be nice. So shout out to my Kiwi friends, my New Zealand friends. We're going to kick your ass in the rugby. That'll be great. And yeah, Greeny, have a good time. Stay safe. And unless you've got anything else to say,
Eli's just come in, swooped in late, and he wants his question. He's like, "Do you even read chat?" I said, "Yes." I literally just checked it a minute ago with GG. So we've been talking. You just come in here, send me 20 different messages, and you're like, "Hey, doesn't even read his chat, homie." All right. The answer to your question is: are golf shoes worth it? Yes. And golf clubs, 10,000%. Golf shoes. I bought golf shoes, and they are really good. But it's more so if it's wet, because they are insulated and they are waterproof. Okay, that your normal sports shoes are not invested. I need to I actually might go for a hit this afternoon. I'm playing twice in the next 2 days with our mates, so I need to go make sure I'm not slicing. Okay, that's the thing. So that's the end of the show, guys. Golf shoes, yes, and golf club, without a doubt, have a spare one in your bag is 100% advisable. Okay, that is financial advice in the golf industry. Okay.
Yeah, beautifully done, Greeny. I was going to say Eli might have to work on shrinking his lats. They look a bit big for his swing, man.
And his shirts are a little bit tight.
I did notice the shirt was tight, and I did notice the belt was tight too. So you might want to relax the belt buckle and get a 2XL shirt so you can just flow better, brother. Just flow. I can't talk. I'm as stiff as a bloody, I don't know what you want to call it.
I saw Eli's swing. I saw PO swing.
I'm so tight, man.
I need to record my swing so then people can judge the hell out of my swing. So I'll record.
But anyway, Greeny, you have a good trip. I'll do the thank yous as always. Guys, big thank you once again to OKX Australia. They're the guys who put on the live event for us as well. So thank you for being partners of GC Crypto, our stream. If you're looking to spot trade, they're obviously the place to go. Links are in description if you need a hand with how to use it. No problemos. Get hold of myself or Greeny. Probably myself. Greeny's probably out of action for the next 3 to 4 days. And then once again, shout out to Yeet, competition $1,000 giveaway tomorrow. So that'll be sick. Reminder, use our code, do a bit of volume, and you are in to win. Other than that, guys, most importantly, thanks to our viewers. Again, without you guys, we'd have a pretty fucking boring show. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the queries. And thanks to Eli for coming in and talking about his golf swing. And actually, he's on stream tomorrow with me. Greeny will be away, so 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eli will be with me. Same time, same place, same good jokes. So we'll catch you then. And Greeny, go and enjoy a few cold runs, my man.
Thanks, mate. Goodness, thanks, mate. Have a great weekend, everyone. And yeah, cheers. Hopefully, everything goes smooth tomorrow.
Stay alive, man. I need you alive a bit longer for the show, so don't die.
Absolutely. Have a good weekend. Hopefully, we pump. Yeah, and see you soon. See you soon, guys. Peace.
See you, chat. Big love.